Today, I want to talk about super simple healthy recipes and why they are important in our everyday life. Many people think that healthy food is expensive, boring, or difficult to prepare, but this is not true. You don't need to be a professional chef or spend hours in the kitchen to eat well. With simple ingredients and easy steps, anyone can prepare healthy meals at home. First of all, let's talk about why simple healthy recipes matter. In modern life, people are often very busy. We study, work, and spend a lot of time on our phones and computers. Because of this, many people choose fast food or ready-made meals. These foods are usually high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Over time, this can cause problems like low energy, weight gain, and poor health. Simple healthy recipes help us save time, eat better, and feel more energetic. One important rule of super simple healthy cooking is using fresh and natural ingredients. You don't need rare or expensive products. Basic foods like vegetables, fruits, eggs, oats, rice, yogurt, and nuts are enough. When food is fresh and natural, it keeps more vitamins and minerals, which are good for our body. Let me give you some easy and healthy recipe examples. The first example is a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is very important because it gives us energy for the day. A great simple option is oatmeal with fruit. All you need is oats, water, or milk, and some fruit like a banana or an apple. Cook the oats for a few minutes, add sliced fruit, and maybe a little honey or nuts. This breakfast is rich in fiber, keeps you full for a long time, and is very easy to make. Another simple breakfast idea is Greek yogurt with berries. Just take plain yogurt, add fresh or frozen berries, and mix. You can also add seeds or nuts. This meal is full of protein and good for digestion. Now let's talk about simple healthy lunches. One of the easiest options is a vegetable salad with protein. For example, you can mix tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and add boiled eggs or grilled chicken. Use olive oil and lemon juice instead of heavy sauces. This meal is light, fresh, and very nutritious. Another easy lunch idea is rice with vegetables. Cook some rice, then add steamed or fried vegetables like carrots, broccoli, or peppers. You can add beans or lentils for protein. This dish is cheap, filling, and good for your health. For dinner, simple recipes are also the best choice. A great example is baked vegetables. Just cut vegetables like potatoes, zucchini, and carrots. Add a little olive oil and spices, and bake them in the oven. You can eat them alone or with fish or chicken. This dinner is easy to prepare and doesn't need much attention. Another healthy dinner idea is vegetable soup. You only need water, vegetables, and some spices. Boil everything together, and you have a warm, healthy meal. Soup is especially good in cold weather and helps digestion. Let's not forget about healthy snacks. Instead of chips or sweets, you can choose fruit nuts or smoothies. A simple smoothie can be made with a banana, milk or yogurt, and berries. Just put everything in a blender, and it's ready in 1 minute. In conclusion, super simple healthy recipes are perfect for everyone. They save time, money, and help us feel better every day. Healthy food doesn't have to be complicated. With a few basic ingredients and simple steps, we can take care of our body and enjoy delicious meals. Eating healthy is not about strict rules. It's about making smart and simple choices every day. Thank you for listening.